Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 21st of July. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to shoot trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at the weekly chart where we've been seeing a bit of progress to the upside. The RSI 14 buy signal has still not made the possible near miss target, so there is definitely potential upside above, and we've got this nice looking double top here. But, and there is a but, on the hourly chart, we haven't quite reached the resistance here, but there is a possibility that we are forming a flag here. This would be the support, and this would be the resistance. Is that a very nice looking rising wedge where we are hitting wedge resistance at the moment? Yes. And let's have a look at that on the 5-minute chart. And the 5-minute chart, well, there we are. In fact, it looks even better on the 60-minute chart. This is a very possible resistance area, and I'm watching for a potential reversal back down. Are we seeing this on the others? Well, on the weekly chart, we're not close to the weekly middle band at the moment. I've got that 81.06, and if we were to go to a retest of 83.89, that wouldn't be too surprising either. On the daily chart, we are testing the daily middle band at the moment. I've got that at 78.21. Currently, it is at 78.30. So we are testing that as resistance. That, again, is an obvious point of failure. Doesn't mean it's going to fail there, but it means that it might. So we've also got a decent-looking bull flag here that formed and has broken up, and of course maybe going back up to the obvious target should be a retest of 83.89. But first, it's got to get through the daily middle band. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum again going up a bit. We are retesting the prior high, but if you look at it here, this is something I was talking about yesterday. It might retest this high, set off the second high of a double top. We are now basically hitting the resistance trend line. And again, I am wondering whether this might be a reversal back down. So all three of these indices have now hit potential resistance levels. And really looking at the setup here, I'm thinking 50-50 possibility it reverses back down. If it doesn't reverse back down, then we're going to have a crack at the double bottom resistance on the Bitcoin chart. But if it does, then we could head straight back and retest the lows. So significant inflection point here. We will see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.